So the very detail-oriented among you may have seen that the English word chat has been translated into Italian as gatto and into Dutch as cat, which obviously is a mistake. I thought that was really meant was cat instead of chat. So what we're going to do is we're going to add more context to the variable. So we're going to look up this chat key called upload content, which was translated as cat and gatto, and we're going to edit it and give it a little bit more context. So we can say communication between people over text in order to improve the translation. So what we're going to do now is go back to Blackbird and we're going to fly our bird again, and we're going to see if we can now get a better Dutch translation out of it, where chat is actually properly translated as, well, chat. We use the same word. So let's see. Okay, it's done. And if we now go to Figma and click on Dutch, we see that the word is actually translated as chat and not as cat.